Hey guys, so today I'm going to do my eyebrows for the very first time. So this is how my brows look like. Well, and yeah, I'm not going to do trimming today. All I want is to follow this tutorial for an expected outcome, Yeah, so let's do this. So I'll use this to brush off the brows upwards. This is the closest brush I found helpful for real. So we brush the brows upwards. I don't know the reason, but just do it. So I don't know the difference it's made though. So let me just zoom in the camera for an up close view. Yes, perfect. So we brush again. Too much brushing, I guess. We go in with Davy's eye pencil, number 18 of course. I'm trying to see the number 18. Oh, there. Took so long. Yeah, now this is where the work begins. I have to confirm if it makes sense on the camera. So we draw the upper part. Apparently we are not supposed to start from the beginning for whatever reason. So we start somewhere mid. Again confirming if it makes sense. So we draw strokes or lines upwards. Reason? I have no idea. This tutorial should also specify how many lines because I may end up drawing 50 on one brow. Drawing until I hear the spirit of my ancestors begging me to stop. So we shade and shade and shade. More shading. Not bad. So we go in with the dark pencil. I have no idea why some makeup artists usually shade the edges with the dark pencil, and I really want to try it as much as I feel a pencil number 18 is already enough. So we do light shading on the edge of the brow. So apparently this idea of using the lash glue on the brushes has been quite effective. Like, it's really works wonders. I mean, so this for concealer, I bought it like 7 years ago, before the company was rebranded like severally, and it's barely used. Enough evidence I don't draw eyebrows. So here, I don't even know how I'm supposed to position my hand. The struggle is real, my guys. We need a support group for people who don't know how to draw eyebrows perfectly. I'm already tired before I even start. Eh, let's just show the eyelid. We will embark shortly after the break. So to shape the upper part, I'll use the foundation I'm currently using so as to have it easy when cleaning up. Hey, this positioning is not easy, I beg. And you'll find some people waking up so early to draw the eyebrows every morning. Like, where do you even get the motivation? Where at this point it's even starting to become hilarious. Tired you people. Too much struggle for nothing. I thank God you have professional makeup artists because since I feel kinda motivated, let's do the other brow. Fun fact, they become neighbors. Even as I brush it, I already know. Now that's where the trimming becomes useful. They say if the brows don't look similar like twinning, they are cousins. but for these ones, I believe they will not even be related. I'll call them neighbors because they're neighboring each other. Oh, is this 3-pointer or whatever they call it? Let's just do it. I almost forgot we're not supposed to start at the beginning. Lol. Oh, and again, the lines. The black eye pencil again. So we shade and shade and shade, more shading. As I shade, I can tell this is a high hack, bro, as compared to the other one. These two are neighbors for sure, but will force issues. Ama namna gani? The more I keep on, the more it's becoming hilarious. Let me zoom out even. Where? Now the upper part. This work is becoming tedious. Well. This is exactly where you should trim your eyebrows. But you move on regardless. This is what I do with these neighbors. I will clean them off camera. We don't even relate to each other. Just say. Yes, after all the hula balloons, here we go. It really forced issues. Let me tell you, Maina. I really respect the makeup artist because, well, so that's it. We will try something else next time after I upgrade my concealer, of course. Bye.